So hello and welcome, and today we're going to look at 8 English polite words to know. 8 English polite words to know. I'm sure you don't want to miss out these words because they are used in day-to-day activities. Okay, let's get started. So with polite words, I mean the words you use in English when you want to request lead for something. So these polite words are used when you want to request or when you're pleading for something. Okay, number one, we have please. Please. So please is commonly used in English. Let's have an example. Please, can I come in? Please, can I come in? It shows that you want to come in a polite way. It's like you are requesting, please, may I come in? Or please, can I come in? So generally, please shows polite request, as we've seen. Thank you. Thank you. An example. Thank you for attending today's meeting. Thank you for attending today's meeting. So thank you is a polite word to express appreciation. You appreciate an audience or you appreciate someone and you say thank you. So thank you, it expresses appreciation. Excuse me. Excuse me. So excuse me, this word is used to politely gain someone's attention. It's used to politely gain someone's attention. For example, excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? So you're trying to gain his or her attention. You use excuse me. I am sorry. I am sorry. Or some people can say, I am so sorry. I am sorry. So this is used to express apology. Like you want to request for apology from someone, you will say, I am sorry, or I am very sorry. I am sorry. So you express your sincere apology to him or her. I am sorry. You are welcome. You are welcome acts as a polite response to thank you. So you are welcome acts as a polite response to thank you. So when someone says thank you, you reply with you are welcome. Thank you, please. You are welcome. Thank you for paying school fees. And you will reply, you are welcome, Tom, or you are welcome, Peter. I would love to. I would love to. So this I would love to, desire to do something. You express your desire and willingness to do something. I would love to. An example. I would love to attend church today. I would love to attend church today. So you are showing your gratitude and you're showing your ability and willingness to attend church today. Let me know, please. Let me know, please. So let me know is used to ask someone to inform you about something. Let me know, please. It is used to ask someone to inform you about something. An example, let me know, please, if she comes. Let me know, please, if she comes. You want to know when she is going to come. May I? May I? So may I is a polite way of asking for permission to do something. May I is used as a polite way of asking for permission to do something. An example, may I please come in? May I go out today? May I go out today? So you are requesting in a polite way to be granted permission to go out today. So may I go out, please? Here are the 8 English polite words to know. Hope you've learned something today and you are able to express or ask permission to do something using those words. Okay, let's meet up in the next video. Remember, here we learn English with ease. Bye bye.